Sharpening a scalpel, 2018 Porsche 911 GT3 first drive. The countryside around Granada, I was told before I arrived, is a bit like Southern California. The climate is similar, the scrub and the sun, citrus and olive trees, the Mediterranean feel of the place. The differences are subtle, but in some the effect is profound. The way the air smelled, the birdsong, the glass-smooth roads, the neatness of the little irregular orchard plots. I was enthralled, really. The location doesn't have any effect on whether the new 2018 911 GT3 achieves greatness, but this part of Spain provides a perfect metaphor. Think of California as the old GT3, an exceptional climate, with the campiña around Granada standing in for the new GT3. A subtle refinement of a proven concept, small things standing out on a background of similarities, and 500 screaming horsepower, lest you forget.